Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am super excited to bring to you guys a unboxing of the Momentum True Wireless 3. Now these are brand new and they have just come out and they're by Sennheiser's. And the reason I'm super excited is not only am I unboxing a new product, but also this is the very first time I am dealing with Sennheisers. So I have never had a Sennheiser unboxing on or review on this channel, but this is the first time. So without further ado, let's get this started. I will be doing the unboxing, my impressions of it, show you guys what's inside, and I will also pair it up with my phone and see how we go. All right, so straight off, the box is not too nice to look at. There's just way too much information for my liking. So I like a simplistic, straightforward box. This is just all of this everywhere. There's everything written, you know. What are you getting? So I'm not a big fan of that. So, but other than that, it's not that big. It's not small either. However, like for example, these are the Beoplay EX. They're chunky headphones, especially with the case, but they're quite small, the box is, compared to these guys. Now let's see if we can get this, even though I've got no nails, let's see if we can get this off in the traditional, honest, straightforward review way, where I don't destroy the box. Maybe I need to in this case. Okay, these feel like being one of those sticky situations where you have no choice but to actually cut it. So that's what we're going to do here. Okay, so after quite a bit of effort, they're still doing the plastic bit here. Most headphones nowadays, they don't do it. They're a bit more fashionable to have the tear. It still doesn't have a plastic sleeve on it, so that's great to see. Okay, pretty much it, isn't it? So for the unboxing, it's unboxed. So you have on one end, you have the case, which, wow, so this is quite chunky, but very different, very nice. A lot of the headphone providers, they just do plastic or rubber or something like this. This is very nice. It has a very cloth feel to it. It's got the Sennheiser logo, USB-C charging. So that's basically it for that. Let me see, what do we get in here? So first use, give it a charge, close the lid, give it a charge, and that's basically it. Charge for at least 30 seconds. Welcome, okay, a bit of a welcome on Sennheiser. All right, what do you get, pairing and whatnot. So it's pretty intuitive. Like a lot of the headphones, they're doing this. When you put it in, you hold them, and that's basically it. And you check your ears. Yep, that's pretty straightforward. Opening it up in here, we can see you get a, let's have a look-see. What do we get here? All right, so again, I don't know why they do USB-C to USB-A. So USB-C to USB-A, I guess because everyone's doing it. So we're still going to do USB-A so all the charges don't get wasted, which is, I guess, is smart, okay? However, what is not smart, and I don't like myself, this is my personal opinion, is all this paperwork. Who sits there and goes through these, you know? Nowadays, everything is available on the internet via your phone. It's very easy. This is very old-fashioned, you know, all of this wastes a lot of paper as well. And yeah, so great that we're not using as much plastic, and we're protecting the headphones in other ways. So these are the extra buds you get in your ear that you can use, and let's give these an open. So you got extra small, small and large. All right, and then you get this, which is, I have no idea, so let's discover this together. Okay, let's open this up. So it's some sort of ring that goes around it, okay, and it's different. Now what I would have liked to see is something about that on here, you know. Oh, the ring. Okay, good. Okay, no, that's not the ring. Okay, so it doesn't have anything about the ring. So I think the ring is basically, from the look of it, okay, silicone ear fins. Okay, so that's exactly the same for these guys as it is for the Bose. The Bose does this as well. Okay, back to the headphones. This is what we're here for. This is what brought us in. Nice. Beautiful. All right, can't complain with this at all. Bang, opens up. Look at that inside. Looks very nice. What do you guys think? Comment below. Which headphones do you like the most? Okay, that's how it sits. Very nice. Not too shabby at all. You've got the fins here. I guess these are the medium fins for the right and left, and then you've got the earbuds here. All right, let's see which one is left. So this is left. So normally with my left, I do not like medium ones. So let's see how easy it is to take these off. Very easy, fairly easy. Okay, let's put on the large ones. Okay. Ah, that was a breeze. This was surprisingly one of the most easy ones that I have used. Okay, in it goes, and I think this is quite smart. Another thing that I've noticed after having a lot of unboxings, this is quite smart to have it like this, not the other way around where you're trying to pinch it and take it out of the box and then you wreck the box. So upside down, keeps them nice and clean. I think that's quite smart. What do you guys think? Comment below. Let me know. Do you like that? And the fins, I normally find whatever fins on there suits my ears pretty good, but I will try them out and I will get back to you guys as to which fins were the best for my ears. All right, so let's give this guy a pair up to my phone. All right, so my phone's in pairing mode. Let's take these out and I'll act like they're in. So I think I need to put them in charge. I think we need to put them in charge, okay? We need to put them on charge to get them to work. Okay, so back to this. So I'll just let you guys know I have been away for a while with this video, and what I've been trying to do is trying to reset this and let this work. So this is how you should be pairing it. You should take it out and just hold these for 3 seconds, and then it should be coming on the blue lights and it should be pairing. I got duds, so these aren't working at all. I've tried everything, resetting it, connecting it to the computer, firmware upgrading it, nothing works. So that's very disappointing. And that's basically it. So the unboxing is to the end. I can't set it up, so it was good that I have started to include the setup process in the unboxing as well, as it'll give a indication where it's working. I have never had this happen with any of the headphones provider. This was my first Sennheiser, and it's quite disappointing that it's not working. Alright guys, thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you appreciate it. Comment below, what's your experience with Sennheiser, their customer support and things like that, because all of that is very important when we're dealing with a company. So if they're very difficult, and what's your experience been like in terms of getting Sennheiser stuff and opening it up, and did you have anything like this? Thank you so much for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.